Hai.
Halo.
Hai.
Hai.
What is Generasi Gigi 2.0? Generasi Gigi 2.0 was designed by Yayasan Anak Bangsa Bisa and GoTo as a solution for young Indonesian technology talents to keep up with the fast-growing technology industry.
Halo semuanya, halo Kersenian, halo kakak-kakak evaluator.
Good demo as you can see in our first dashboard. So
to understand. Okay, so this dashboard can make it easier to use
and the government so that it can create cooperation.
Plus, age group affected by COVID for both male and female.
And by doing so, we firmly believe we are able to decrease the amounts of waste going to landfills, encourage the habits of
teman-teman itu explore, karena kan tujuannya kan nge-mapping nih area-area mana yang sebenarnya
We surface as a medium of information.
Here's we break down by education, as mentioned before.
With tech stack such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript.
Continue to the demo project we are ready to
Trend the time of waste generation.
That is, we should inform
how COVID and graduates of and unemployment in Indonesia in 2020.
Through competency training and the right way of thinking, we want to produce technology talents who are critical, persistent, and highly competitive, so that they are able to face future challenges. This program is expected to help accelerate digital transformation as well as make technology a career of positive change in Indonesia. So, how is the experience who have undergone the program in the Generasi Gigi 2.0 for approximately 5 to 6 months? Let's hear the story for them. Let's go!
My name is Baik Abdul Manan and I'm a data analyst in Generasi Gigi.
Nama saya Muhammad Nasir Ulwan. Saya di program Generasi Gigi mengambil track data analis.
I'm Faziras Ramadan from Universitas Bakri majoring management. In Generasi Gigi 2.0, I take data analyst track.
Nama aku Fahru Rizky. Di Generasi Gigi, aku di bagian front-end track developer.
The reason that I took this program and track is because I have an interest in the world of the data as well as my experience and skill that match with this program.
Saya mengambil program Generasi Gigi 2.0 karena menurut saya program tersebut adalah menjadi peluang bagi saya untuk terjun ke dunia programmer. Saya mengambil track data analis karena saya ingin menjadi seseorang yang ahli dalam mengolah data dan karena saya sangat suka menganalisis menggunakan data dan angka.
Aku ikut program ini karena ketertarikan aku pada dunia programming sih. Ya walaupun aku dari prodi manajemen. So why not?
Because in this program we will be taught directly from experienced and professional mentors from one of the big technology company in Indonesia. Therefore, I believe this program can improve my skills and abilities both in technical skills and soft skill.
So pasti aku mau ngerti lagi ya, kayak ingin tahu lebih tentang dunia programming, terlebih di bagian front end gitu loh. Kayak bagaimana sih belajar jadi programming gitu sih.
My goals is to become a professional data science who is able to give accurate decision on every problem. So I can start from Generasi Gigi 2.0.
And make me grow even further, and also my goal is joining this program is that I want to develop my skills, add new experience, and add new relationship, and many more.
Saya ingin menjadi salah satu talenta muda di Indonesia untuk mengikuti industri teknologi yang sedang berkembang pesat di dunia.
Starting from technical skills, I learned a lot of processing, analyze, and make decision from data. I also create interesting data visualization that user and stakeholders can be understand. And I learned start from spreadsheet, SQL, Python, Google Data Studio as learning tools. Then in soft skill, I also learned a lot of growth mindset, networking, critical thinking, problem solving, personal branding, adaptability, and time management. Everything that I got is useful so that we can continue into young talents to help accelerate digital transformation while making technology a career of positive change in Indonesia. This is in line with one of program within Bakri University majoring management, namely positive business and positive impact.
Ketika saya dapat mengolah data mulai dari cleaning data sampai memvisualisasikan data, karena proses tersebut membutuhkan waktu yang sangat lama untuk memahami bahasa pemrograman yang dibutuhkan.
Aku bisa jadi ngerti bagaimana cara seorang programmer itu membuat website atau membuat aplikasi gitu dari nol banget hingga jadi aplikasi yang sering kita gunain di keseharian gitu loh.
Identify the problem, collect the raw data, clean the data, and I also had the responsibility for data analysis to find pattern, trends, relationship in the data, and then visualize them. I was proud that I was able to gain insight from that data and interpret the data to the audience in final showcase.
Karena adanya challenge baru buat saya yang tentunya sangat bermanfaat bagi saya.
Program ini sendiri menurut aku sebuah tantangan baru ya, yang dimana notabene aku berasal dari prodi manajemen yang bisa dibilang bertolak belakang dengan pemrograman ini yang notabene untuk anak IT gitu loh. Jadi kayak ini menjadi tantangan baru untuk aku, kayak belajar hal paling baru banget, kayaknya paling baru sih. Itu sih tantangan aku, kayak wah wajah baru nih, dunia baru gitu loh.
Really enthusiastic about data analysis, especially considering how quickly technology is changing the profession. And also the data analysis is challenging career because we must able to solve the problem and then we must provide with insight from the data so they can improve their process and maybe help for company decision making.
When I meet great friends from various university in Indonesia, I also meet great people at one of the big tech companies in Indonesia, as well as mentors and instructors who continue to provide knowledge and direction for me. So in the end, I was able to continue grow into technology talent that was critical, persistent, tough, and highly competitive so that they can face the challenge of the future.
Hal yang paling aku nggak bisa lupain di program ini tuh paling kayak keseruan saat diskusi dan technical class, kayak kita bisa ngobrol dengan instructor, kita dengar mereka menyampaikan materi gitu. Dan juga ada yang paling seru lagi ketika kita diundi untuk showcase homework, yang dimana itu kayak bikin tadikduk gitu loh, kayak kita weh gimana nih itu sih yang menurut aku seru, kayak itu menantang banget.
When me and my team solving a problem together, brainstorming night to night, morning to morning, to come up with solution and solve the problem using technology. That moment cannot be forgotten for me and for us, because this challenge for us, because we carry out the same vision, be able to continue make a positive impact.
There are many things that cannot be forgotten in this program, such as when we are doing a lesson or making new friends or maybe doing the final showcase and many more. But the part that I like in this program is when we are doing the capstone project, because in this capstone project we can work on the real project and we also be guided by the experienced mentor.
Hal yang tidak bisa saya lupakan adalah ketika saya belajar memvisualisasikan data menggunakan Google Data Studio. Karena saya harus belajar berjam-jam untuk memahami setiap fungsi-fungsi tools yang tersedia.
I really want to say thank you to Yayasan Anak Bangsa Bisa for giving me this opportunity so that from that I can learn a lot from this program. And beside that, I also want to say thank you to my teammates, my mentor who have been supportive and helped me a lot during this program.
Pertama-tama, saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada Yayasan Anak Bangsa Bisa karena telah mendirikan program generasi gigi yang sangat bermanfaat buat saya. Dan yang kedua, saya sangat berterima kasih kepada Prodi Manajemen karena telah mengizinkan saya mengikuti program generasi gigi. Dan yang ketiga, saya mengucapkan terima kasih kepada teman-teman sekalian yang telah membantu saya pada saat kegiatan berlangsung di program generasi gigi.
Yang pasti aku ngucapin terima kasih kepada Tuhan yang udah memberikan kesehatan selama aku mengikuti program ini, dan juga penyelenggara program ini yang udah bikin program sangat keren banget, dan juga teman-teman tim yang udah bisa membantu aku selama program ini berjalan. So thank you so much for all.
First of all, I'm very grateful to my campus, Bakri University, because I was given the trust and opportunity to join this program at Generasi Gigi 2.0 and fully support the Campus Merdeka program so that I can continue to gain competence and real experience in the professional world. And secondly, I would also like to say thank you to Generasi Gigi 2.0, which is Yayasan Anak Bangsa Bisa and GoTo Group, for helping me to become a young talent by learning basic technology curriculum, face current challenge and future technological development. Lastly, of course, to my parents and my friends who continue support and encourage me to be what I want to be.
Semoga program ini dapat berkembang pesat dan menjadi lebih baik lagi untuk menghasilkan talenta muda di Indonesia yang berbakat.
This program must continue to run in order to be able to fill the gap of young Indonesia talents who can create big and positive impact for Indonesia using technology.
Gigi keren sih. Tahun depan harus ada lagi.
I hope this program can develop even better and can continue so that it can produce more technology talent in Indonesia. I'm Pak Abdul Manan from Generasi Gigi 2.0. Go beyond your limits and make change.
I am Muhammad Nasiulwan from Generasi Gigi 2.0. Go beyond your limits and make a change.
I'm Farul Rizky from Generasi Gigi 2.0. Go beyond your limit and make a change.
I am Fazair Has Ramadan from Generasi Gigi 2.0. Go beyond your limit and make a change. Bye-bye.